Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to upload photos to the Canva mobile app, specifically using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your iPhone. Once you're in the app, tap on the social media section. This gives you pre-sized templates like Instagram posts, Facebook covers, and more. For this example, let's choose Instagram post. The blank canvas will now open. You're ready to start designing. To bottom of the screen, you'll see a menu bar with several options like templates, text, elements, and more. What we're looking for is the Uploads or Camera Roll option. Tap on Camera Roll. This will open your phone's gallery automatically. Now just scroll through and select the photo you want to upload to Canva. Once you tap your image, it will be instantly added to the canvas. Now you can drag, resize, rotate, or edit the photo however you like. That's it. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials and mobile editing tips, and leave a comment below if you want me to cover anything specific.